Hey everyone, this is Lauren Liddell with Motor City Spindle Repair. I want to do an employee spotlight about a guy named John Wilson. He's an absolutely vital employee to our team. This is a guy who builds over $1 million in spindle repair every single year at Motor City Spindle Repair. He's a leader on our team working in the spindle room, and right now he's actually working on a Mazak spindle. He's lubricating the bearings and getting this ready to be assembled. Later on, it'll be tested in another department at Motor City. So John not only works on Mazak, but just about all other major brands of spindles. And here are just a few of the makes we rebuild at Motor City Spindle Repair. Reach out for a free quote today, and we hope to hear from you guys soon.